Welcome to the mountains where the rain whispers through the trees, the mist wraps around the hills, and every breath feels alive. Today, we're cooking a traditional chicken dish. We began by boiling water, the first step in preparing our chicken the old way. Hot water helps loosen the feathers. Once cleaned, we moved to the fire. A wood flame crackled beneath a traditional mud chulaha. There we gently roasted the chicken. Smoke curled through the trees, and the smell of sizzling meat filled the air. This is where real flavor begins. After roasting, we chopped the chicken into small pieces, leaving the skin on for that bold, rustic taste, ready to absorb every layer of spice we'd soon had. The meat was tender and smoky. We finally chopped onions and vibrant Pahadi tomatoes, fresh and full of mountain-grown flavor. We sealed the pressure cooker using a blend of mud and ash, a technique used for generations. It locks in heat and flavor. In hot oil, we dropped whole spices, bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom as they sizzled. Then came the onions, gently stirred over fire, turning golden brown, soaking up the essence of the spices. As they cooked down, they softened into the onions. The rain tapped softly on the leaves. In a bowl, the forest grew quieter. Birds chirped in the distance. The fire cracked. We kept frying the onions patiently over the wood flame until they turned a beautiful golden brown. Back by the fire, the onions were now golden and fragrant, soft, slightly crisp, and bursting with flavor. We gave them a gentle stir, letting them coat the pan with their sweetness. Once everything was perfectly golden and crispy, we then removed the excess oil. Then we added the chopped Pahadi tomatoes, fresh from the hills, vibrant and juicy. As they cooked down, their juices mixed with the caramelized onions, forming a rich rustic base. We sprinkled in a bit of salt, then gently stirred the mix, checking if the tomatoes had softened and melted beautifully into the masala. The aroma rising from the pot told us we were right on track. Everything slowed down, just us, the fire, and the rhythm of the wild. We gently stirred the golden onions and soft Pahadi tomatoes, letting their flavors meld together slowly over the fire. As the food simmered, the mountains stood silent. Wrapped in mist and rain, birds called from the treetops, and the sound of flowing water echoed through the valley. We mixed warm water with powdered spices, turmeric, coriander, chili, and more. We stirred it into a thick, flavorful paste and added it into the pot, letting it blend into the mixture. We let the masala simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, letting the flavors deepen. Then we added the roasted chicken pieces into the cooker. The aroma was incredible as it all came together. Then in went the chicken, every piece already smoky, now soaking in the heart of the dish. Slowly everything came together, rich, earthy, comforting. The kind of food that feels like home. Let everything cook slowly until tender. And finally, the mountain-style chicken was ready, soulful and made with love. The rain fell, the fire glowed, and we stood in silence, grateful for nature, for food, and for the moment.